select query, employee table, you are just going to keep as A. Space A means it is now given a special name A. So employee table will be now assigned as A and department is assigned as B. So A dot department number equal to B dot department number. This is what the condition you are going to give in where condition. Where A dot department number. So A means the first table, employee table. B is the department table. So A dot department number will be equivalent to B dot department number. From this connection string you have to take it. That is what the thing we are going to give. That's it. Now print df. Df is the data frame already. These answers will be stored in this data frame. So that data frame will be now printed. That's it. So only these many lines are needed to joining both the tables. The last video I showed you how to enter all the data to employee table as well as department table. That's why it was given like a long queries, right? But now after entering all the data, you can just pass like this. Just write these commands to join both the queries. That's it. Press F5. Now you see here both the tables has been now joined. So these columns have been taken from the first table and department number, department name and HOD. These are all taken from the next table. That's it. So combining both the things here, if you see here 1004 is now combined with 1004. This is called eq join. So now equal departments will be joined. This is what the concept of this joining. Equal number of department numbers only joined together. Okay. Now if you want to pass like left join, right join, how to do that? Select star from employee A, employee, join department. Okay. Now where condition should not be there. So instead of employee we can keep that as a and department that as B, and on condition should be given on A dot department number equal to B dot department number. That's it. Now press F5 to run this. See here the same thing can be done by using joining on, right? Now you see here employee number, employee, some of the fields only you need. So employee number, employee name, salary, and then department name, okay, and then HOD. These things should be there. So how to do that? Select A dot employee number, comma, A dot employee name, E name, comma, A dot department number. What are the fields needed to be appeared here should be given here. So A dot department number and then B dot department name, D name, and then next one B dot HOD. Okay, or no need of HOD. You just want to do this one, department number, department name. So from employee A, join on this one. Let's see the column names again. Employee name, employee number, E name, salary also there, and department number. Okay, so D name. That's it. I need this column only. Print now. See here only these many columns. Now combining both the tables. Here department number printed twice, right? There is no duplication. I don't want duplication columns. So the department number will be printed only one time. So this is called natural join. So you are now combining both the tables, but you won't show the duplicated columns. Department number twice. We are not going to show department number twice. That is a duplication column. We need to show only the not duplicated columns only, right? So that I can give like this. In between I need to show A dot salary also. So comma A dot salary means his salary. Press F5. So this is the thing. So two tables has been now joined here, right? So this is the first table, and these are the second table, department name, and